Unraveling the phrase, run it from the top. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, music rehearsals, or even in everyday conversations. Run it from the top. Understanding such expressions can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of the English language. So, let's break it down together and discover what it truly means and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, run it from the top, is commonly used in contexts where a group or an individual is practicing or rehearsing a performance, such as in theater, music, or dance. Run, in this context, means to perform or to go through a sequence of actions. From the top refers to starting from the very beginning of the sequence, song, script, or routine. Thus, when combined, run it from the top essentially means, let's start again from the beginning. In creative fields, in creative rehearsals, this phrase is a directive for the performers to start their performance over from the beginning. It is a common instruction given by directors or leaders to ensure that a performance is polished and perfected. In everyday conversations, although its roots are in the performing arts, run it from the top can also be used metaphorically in everyday conversations. For example, when someone is explaining a complex idea or story and gets interrupted or realizes they need to add more context, they might say, "Let me run it from the top," indicating they want to start their explanation over from the beginning for clarity. To help you understand better, let's look at some scenarios where this phrase could be used. 1. Music band rehearsal. The band is practicing a new song, and after a few mistakes, the lead guitarist says, "Let's run it from the top," to start the song over. 2. Explaining a game. You're explaining the rules of a board game to friends, and halfway through, you realize you've skipped a crucial part of the explanation. You decide to say, "Let me run it from the top," and you start explaining again, this time including the missed information. 3. Team project meeting. Your team is brainstorming ideas for a project, and the discussion gets off track. To refocus, you suggest, "Let's run it from the top," indicating you want to start the brainstorming process over to ensure all ideas are considered from the beginning. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, run it from the top. Understanding such expressions can not only enhance your English language skills but also enrich your cultural knowledge, especially in the contexts of music, theater, and everyday conversation. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the opportunity arises. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.